Anytime you're away from home for an extended period of time, you need to make arrangements to take care of your house. If you're used to cooler or less humid climates, you may not be used to the precautions you need to take when leaving your Puerto Rican home for a while. Puerto Rico's hot, sunny weather is what makes it an island paradise, but its humid, tropical rainforest climate also means mold is a serious problem. One way to fight mold is to leave the air conditioner running all the time, but this is both expensive and bad for the environment. The Sensibo remote control app for air conditioners can be useful, allowing you to monitor the temperature and humidity levels of your Puerto Rican home from abroad and letting you turn the AC on and off from miles away. A more practical solution for fighting mold when you're away is to buy a dehumidifier. To protect your home and your health, it's worth it to invest in a high-quality one. Dehumidifiers come in various sizes and typically have useful features such as a readout of the humidity levels and 24-hour timers. Smaller ones may even be inaudibly quiet. Keep in mind, though, that you'll need one with a built-in pump or a hose so it can drain itself. You can buy hoses separately if your dehumidifier doesn't come with one. Another anti-mold option for small rooms like closets or bathrooms is baking soda moisture-absorbing bags. These bags keep small rooms fresh and last for up to 60 days. Otherwise, you can take the old-fashioned route of asking a trusted neighbor or friend to check on your apartment while you're gone to check the water flow, water plants, feed the cat, and do other small chores. To monitor your mail while you're away, you can sign up for P-Relocate's virtual mailbox service. We will retrieve your mail and send you a picture of it. Then you can ask us to physically mail it to you, scan the contents and email them to you, shred it, or store it until you return. For more information on the service, email us at info@relocatepuertorico.com or call us at 1-855-735-2283.